If you think about the first industrial revolution, that was more than a century back when the steam engine was discovered and those technologies were utilized to equip the people of certain countries and they occupied other lands, they could get the benefits of those other lands. The colonization started because they had the upper hand, because they had the technology and they used them. But this first industrial revolution, the period was almost 100 years. Later on, we know about the second industrial revolution. The life of the second industrial revolution was less than the first industrial revolution. Then if you think about the third industrial revolution, that was a higher technology, but the lifespan was shorter. Now we are thinking about the fourth higher. This fourth higher life will be even shorter. So the fifth higher and so on. When you are trying to acquire this knowledge, you will find out that knowledge becomes redundant and old. So you must think about the future technologies that is going to come. If you do not do that, you will be out of business. And the other aspect is the impact of these technologies on the environment. If you think about the carbon dioxide and the weather changes, the climate changes, because the climate changes is a reality, not a fiction, not a science fiction, because it is affecting the whole world, including Bangladesh. The different climatic events at odd times is affecting our life, agricultural production, and the quality of the land. So, you must be using the technology with some caution. What is the impact of this technology on the environment? That must be taken care of. That is why people are thinking of the circular economy. They are not liking the linear economy. The linear economy is related to produce, use, and throw away. That is not good for the environment. You will have to recycle. That is why the circular economy is affecting all our knowledge if we use those knowledge in different fields. In Bangladesh, we have got a lot of garments industry. The circular economy is to be applied here. Not only the garments industry, in all the aspects of our life, we should think about conserving, not wasting. I was going through this souvenir. I was very glad to see one article by one electrical engineering graduate at ITRD on the topics of wastage to power. So we must think about how to utilize the resources in the best way possible and without affecting our environment, without contributing to the temperature enhancement in the world. That is important for the teachers, for the instructors, because they have to prepare the next generation so that their next generation can live in peace and with dignity, so that the environment is free of pollution. So I would like to request all the teachers, all the students, they think about the SDG goals as well, which is related to the conservation of environment. The United Nations have selected the 17 goals, and all the countries of the world, the countries of the United Nations, agreed to follow the SDGs. And we see that different industry, they're trying to follow the principles as outlined in the SDG. So I request the students here who are participating, they must go through the SDG. They should try to understand how to apply the SDG principle in their future life. So with that hope, I'd like to end and wish all the participants good luck and the competition a good luck. Thank you very much.